Welcome to Neelum Valley, a slice of paradise nestled in the heart of Azad Kashmir, Pakistan. Join us on this breathtaking journey as we soar through the skies, capturing the untouched beauty of some of the most enchanting destinations. First, we glide over Helmat, a serene village at the bank of River Neelum, surrounded by snowy peaks. Next, we ascend to Kareemabad, where terraced fields and traditional wooden houses paint a picture of timeless charm. The harmony of nature and culture here is simply mesmerizing. Now, we glide over Sardari, a breathtaking spot on both sides of the Neelum River. Here, the river flows gracefully through snow-draped landscapes, creating a scene straight out of a winter fairy tale. Now, we drift over Filaway, a hidden gem where vibrant wildflowers carpet the landscape. As we move forward, Serene welcomes us with its dramatic cliffs and cascading waterfalls. The sheer grandeur of this place will leave you in awe. Next, we descend to Karen and Neelum Village, a tranquil riverside haven. In winter, its peaceful charm. Descending into Karka and Baboon Valley, we're greeted by dense forests and the playful echoes of wildlife. This untouched sanctuary is a testament to nature's raw beauty. Next, we explore Jagran Valley, a lush expanse of greenery fed by glacial streams. The valley's vibrant hues and peaceful ambience make it a haven for nature lovers. Now, we approach Kutan, home to its iconic waterfalls. The sight of water, cascading down rocky cliffs into emerald pools, is nothing short of magical. Last but not the least, Athmacam, the gateway to Neelum Valley. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey. Until next time, keep exploring and let nature inspire you.